Welcome to the Weather Centre on Wednesday, where we can expect a windy day over the interior parts of the Cape provinces, as well as a windy start of the day along the southwestern coastline. A series of cold fronts keep the cloudy, cold and wet weather in the forecast, especially over the southwestern part of South Africa. We're also expecting cloudy weather and rainfall over the western and southern parts, with light rain in the forecast as we head further inland. The warm weather continues for KwaZulu-Natal, with a sunny and warmer day expected over the central and northeastern part of South Africa on Wednesday. Widespread rainfall is forecast over the southwestern part of South Africa, with a 60% chance of rainfall along parts of the eastern Cape coastline and a 40% chance of rainfall over the western and southern part of the country. Our rainfall accumulation map highlights the warning for heavy rainfall in the southwest. There's also a watch for the possibility of low-class flooding within that same area. Here's that warmer weather over the northeastern part of South Africa on Wednesday, with maximum temperatures starting to head into the mid-20s, 23 degrees for Pretoria and Potchefstroom, a high of around 20 for Johannesburg and Ermelo, and around 30 degrees for Bombela and Phalaborwa. Still cool for the Free State as well as Grahamstown and Queenstown, all in the upper teens. In the low 20s for Bishu and Umtata, with maximum temperatures peaking in the middle and upper 20s for KwaZulu-Natal. You'll see a light northeasterly wind along the east coast, with more of a fresh westerly wind for East London and Port Elizabeth, both in the low 20s, with a 1 metre easterly swell at 9 seconds. We're forecasting a maximum temperature of 20 degrees for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, as well as Oudtshoorn, with a cool day throughout the Western Cape, with highs in the upper teens. Cold and windy as we head towards Hermanus and Muizenberg, both at 16 degrees with a strong west-northwesterly wind. You'll also see a 55 km/h westerly wind for Cape Agulhas. Highs head into the low 20s between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a predominantly moderate to fresh westerly wind. And along the south coast, we're expecting a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. Cold over the western and southern part of the Northern Cape, with a warm afternoon for Uppington at 24 degrees. It's a windy start to the day for Table Bay and Longabon, with a fresh westerly wind in the afternoon. You'll see a moderate west-northwesterly wind for Alexander Bay at 21, with a 2.5 metre west-southwesterly swell at 14 seconds along the west coast. Still cold over the western, southern and central part of South Africa on Thursday, with some early morning light rain for Cape Town at 15 degrees. You'll also see rainfall spreading up the east coast of the cooler day forecast, but temperatures remain hot for Bombela at 31. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Wednesday.